Hey, what's up, y'all? Not now it's raining hard now. Yep, it's raining hard now. I'm back on Instagram Live. Just finished a Facebook Live. Just finished Facebook Live and YouTube Live. Eventually this will be on YouTube as well. Okay, but this not gonna be on Facebook. Yep, now it's raining hard. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they had bubble stuff right there. Yeah, look at that. Look over here. Yeah. Uh huh. This is some bad weather today. You know. Yeah, and by the way, it's the it's the end of the school year, y'all. You know. It's the it's the end of the school year and stuff like that. Okay. So some students is not going back to school for the rest of the year, which is no problem. Because it's the end of the school year, and students graduating from the 8th grade, the 12th grade, college and stuff like that. Yeah. Yep. Raining hard. Ooh. I'm about to go back to YouTube Live right now, and I'll go back to Facebook Live. Now it's raining hard. Uh huh. All right. So if it continue to rain like this, I'll be back. Okay. All right.